Okay, guys, good morning and welcome to this session. Today, I just discovered that I have not handled taking you guys on Python list so far. I thought I've done that. I should have done it before taking you on Python dictionary. So if you are in this tutorial, you haven't gone through Python dictionary so far, it's perfect you go through Python list before you go into Python dictionary. So here I will open my VS Code and take you through what Python dictionary, sorry, Python list is all about. Okay. So, Python list is like a list you make where you store in items. For it, like remember when you're going to a market, you can't remember everything you want to buy. You can't remember all the prices. So you might need to make a list of everything you want to buy. So maybe you might make a list of, you want to buy vegetables, maybe vegetables worth of, let's say, $10. $10 vegetable. Then you might also wanna buy um books worth of $2. You might also want to buy, what again we want to buy? Okay. I like Nigerian food. You might want to buy okpa. I like okpa very much. Okpa worth of $5. Okay. To put everything together, you will need to make a list of them, not writing them one per sheet. So here in Python, how you do that is you create a list, like a list of the items you want to buy. So to create that list, what you will do, you give it a name. Let's say because we are making a list of items we want to buy, so let's name our list market items, market underscore items, assign it equal to, then you make an opening bracket. Then I would like to go to the next line. Then first of all, you want to buy vegetables, right? You write vegetables. After any item you want to buy, you put a comma. Then you want to buy books. You want to buy books. Put a comma. You want to buy clothes, electronics, toys, jewelries. Okay, I would like for each session here to be on a separate line so we can see all the items we are making a list of. So there you go. So here at the last line, remember we made an opening bracket. So here we need to make a closing bracket for that. Also, these things are in string format. So you need to enclose them in string formats. As you can see, these ones that we didn't enclose in a string format, Python is yelling at us. You can see this yellow line under it highlighting that the data type is not correct. So to enclose them in a string format, you need to put them inside quotation. So that's what I'm doing now. Do yours as well. put it inside the quotation. But if it is an integer type, you don't need to put it inside quotation. If it's a boolean or a float, you also don't need to put it inside the quotation. So guys, we have successfully created a Python list of market items with contents inside it like vegetable, books, clothes, electronics, toys, furnitures, jewelries, sports equipment, beauty products, and pet supplies. Now to access these items inside this Python list, what we do, let's say we just want to print all the items. What we do, we say print market item, print inside the print statement the name of the list. The name of our list here is market items. So when we run this, when we say print market items, it's going to print everything that we put inside this list. So let's give it a try, guys. Here I come to my terminal here and I type Python. What's the name of our file? Look at it here, new.py. Python new.py. Press enter. Boom. Look at this pretty console log here. Vegetable, books, clothes, electronics, toys, furniture, jewelry, sports equipment, beauty products, supplies. Look at them here. So these are the contents. They are the content of our list. So what if we don't want to print everything inside the list? We just want to print one item or two out of this bunch of items. How do we do it? Okay guys, let me say I want to print electronics out of these items, and I also want to print jewelries. How do we do it? This is where index number comes in. Now what is index number in Python list? Index number is the position of each item in your Python list. So the index number starts counting from 0 to n number. There's any number that your Python list could reach while counting from 0. So if you count from 1, this thing will be, we have vegetable 1 here, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 items here. So because we will start counting from 0, we are going to minus 1 from 10 to make the number of items here 9, because we start counting from 0. So when we start counting from 0, the index number, the first index number is 0. This vegetable now is the first item, so it has an index number of 0. This book is the second item in our Python list, so it has the index number of 1. This clothes is the third item. It will have the index number of 2. This one have index number of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So like I said before, I wanted to print electronics and I wanted to print jewelries. So I'm going to use their index number to print it. First of all, you write the name of the list, then write the position of the item you want to print. That position, remember, you put it inside a squared bracket. So electronics, what's the position? 0, 1, 2, 3. It's in position 3. Good. Then we also want put a comma here. We also want to print jewelries. So jewelries is in this, electronics is 3, 4, 5, 6. Jewelries is in position 6. So come over here, do the same thing. Market items. That's the name of the list. Then inside squared brackets, you put the position of the item you are printing. Let's count again to jewelries. 1, 2. Okay, we are counting from 0. Yes, we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we put 6. So if we run this code in the terminal, we should get electronics and also get jewelries. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's do it. Let's type python.new enter to run your code. Boom, look at it here. Electronics first, then we get jewelries. So guys, there is still another trick to this. What if we want to print the last item and we don't know the number of items inside this list? Because the items sometimes in a list might reach up to thousands. How do we do it? How do we do it? Okay, let me show you. If you put -1 here, -1 here is that you are telling Python to start counting from the last item of the list. So it's gonna print this last item, which is pet supplies, while it prints electronics, which is at the position 4 or index 3. It will also print the last item. Let's give it a try and see if I'm right. Yeah, I am right. Look at it here. Look at it. This is electronics here. Then this is pet supplies. Pet supplies, is it the last item in our list? Let us check. Yes, look at it. It's the last item in our list. So guys, what if you want to get second to the last item? What do you do now? Instead of -1, you do -2. So let's try. Let's run this code again. Good. -2 is beauty product. Look at it. So we can start counting in the opposite direction from the minus, from the negative, to get to the first item of our list, instead of counting from the positive. That's when you don't know the last item in the list. So guys, like this video, subscribe for more, share this video as well. Please remember, subscribe to this channel for more videos on Python tutorials. And as well, I've not been very serious on my JavaScript tutorials. If you are watching this video and you want to get into JavaScript as well, I will be bringing up JavaScript series just like this, Python series like this. Do well to watch it, like and subscribe as well. So bye for now.